Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Messenger unable to load camera roll error. So if your photos aren't showing up when you try to send them, follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now go to Manage Apps or App Management, depending on your device. At the top, tap on the search bar and type Messenger to quickly find the Messenger app, then select it from the list. Once you're inside the Messenger app settings, tap on Force Stop, and then tap OK to confirm. This will completely close the app and stop it from running in the background. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Data, and select Clear Cache, then confirm. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the error. Now go back and tap on App Permissions. Make sure you allow all the necessary permissions, especially photos and videos or storage and media access. This is very important because without these permissions, Messenger won't be able to load your camera roll. After that, go back to your home screen. Next, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar and search for Messenger. If you see an Update button, tap on it to install the latest version of the app. Updates usually fix bugs. Once the update is complete, go back to your home screen. Then press and hold the power button on your phone. Then tap Restart to reboot your device. After your phone turns back on, open Messenger and check your camera roll again. The issue should now be fixed.